Hello viewers, I welcome you here. In this video I will tell you how to make a frame like this. At the end of this video you will be able to create this frame yourself. First of all, you need to open one picture, file, open, then break the lock by double clicking here, select OK, create a new layer, edit, fill, select OK, bring it here, select this layer, image, convert size, increase it by one number, it should be inch, and if it is 26 then set this to 27, it is 17, so I set this to 18, select OK. Select load selection, select OK, select modify contract, write 60 or do it according to the picture, select OK, add layer mask by clicking here, filter, brush strokes, select spread strokes. You can change the length of the frame or stroke from here. Also you can change the spray radius, select OK. You can see the change. At last you have to crop the picture, select it and press enter from the keyboard. You can write anything here, like I write I will select the text, increase the size 72, select move tool, come to styles and select any style from here to apply direct effect or simple effect.